Hey guys, it's Katie. So recently I went to Amish Country with my friends about an hour away from where I live, and they have this huge fabric warehouse called Zincks. We went there, bought some fabric. I didn't really need anything, but my friend was shopping for quilt stuff, but of course they were having a huge New Year's sale and everything was 15% off, so of course I had to buy some fabric because their fabric is already pretty cheap. So I just want to share with you guys some of the stuff that I bought there. As you can see, it's a huge bag, so let me just jump into it for you. So the first thing I got was this pack of fat quarters. This was, I believe, it was $26 for all these fat quarters. I think it might have been on sale for maybe $22, and then there's the 15% off, so pretty good deal. And it just has a lot of these pretty pinks and purple floral prints that are super see, they're super cute. I saw they had a bunch of these fabrics on the bolt as well, and I loved them, and I was I want to buy all of them. And then I found this charm pack, which was great. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might make a quilt for my new apartment, but we'll see. I actually didn't get these at Zincks. I went to Michael's and I bought some more rotary cutter blades. So this is just a 2-pack of the 60mm because my blade, I'm pressing really hard and it's not cutting through 2 layers of fabric. So it's time to replace that blade. I got this fabric. It's just some pretty pink floral. I think I only got a yard of this because I believe I bought it off the bolt. So yeah, I think I got a yard or two, but super cute. I think this was $5.99 a yard. And then I also got this fabric. It's similar to the pink, but it's in this jewel tone blue. Super cute. And this was a flat fold. They sell flat folds there that are already pre-cut. So this was 4 yards for $4.99 a yard, but it was on sale for $3.99 a yard, and then the 15% off. So got quite a bit of fabric there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just had to get it because it was so cute. They had so many pretty florals there. I also got this one that's more of a muted blue, silver kind of, has a pretty floral pattern on it. This was also 4 yards for $4.99 a yard, $3.99 a yard, but that's what it looks like. I can probably make some really cute bags out of this, so I'm excited for that. I also got this other flat fold that's more of this pretty jewel toned floral. It's a different pattern, but it's kind of what's in that charm pack of the fat quarters. And this was 6 yards for $3.99 a yard. So looks like that, super cute. And this is the last fabric I bought. It's another one of those pretty floral patterns in a maroon burgundy color, and this was 3 yards for $3.99 a yard. So it looks like that. I actually didn't buy any vinyl when I went there because I just didn't know where I was going to put it. But I still have 3 colors that I bought there last time I went of vinyl. I have a pink, a purple, and a gray because their vinyl's fairly cheap, which I like. I think it's $5.99 a yard or something crazy like that. And then the last thing that I bought there was some black and white thread. I can never have enough of this. And these were only 50 cents. So yeah, these are just kind of my go-to, so I always kind of pick them up when I see them because I tend to run out of those colors a lot. But yeah, that was everything that I got at the Fabric Warehouse. Now I'm just going to show you guys some hardware stuff that I purchased online. I'm super excited about these. I ordered these back in, I don't even know when I ordered them, August maybe. They're I ordered them forever ago and I just got them because they were kind of a pre-order, and they're super cute. So I ordered these off of a Facebook group that I saw. Things for Your Stuff is what they're called, and they do kind of cool zipper pull pre-orders and stuff, and fabric and things. Everything they sell is super cute. I'm also waiting on some colored hardware from them. I bought some purple hardware, so I'm super excited for that. But this pre-order was for these chocolate frog zipper pulls. I got them in antique gold because they look like chocolate, and I also got some cute rose gold ones just because I thought they were cute. But these zipper pulls are so adorable and I cannot wait to use them. Like, just look at them. Just look how cute they are. This is the antique gold one. I'm so excited. I have some like Harry Potter fabric. I want to make a purse for myself. And I think I'm going to definitely have to use these zipper pulls because they're so adorable. Let me show you the rose gold one. And then here's the rose gold one. Also super cute. Oh, they're so adorable. I just love them so much. I can't wait to use these. I really wish I would have bought more. I think once they do another pre-order or retail, I'll probably buy more in some other colors because she had them in like every color, like gold, silver, nickel, black. And I definitely think I want to buy more of them because they're just so cute. Alright, now my next bit of hardware I actually ordered from Mormino.com, and I ordered some of her rose gold pieces and her, I don't know what, I think it's just black. I don't know, it's called something fancy, but I bought basically a whole set of hardware so that I can make a purse. So I purchased this, in black nickel, I purchased this little, it's like a tassel holder thing, so like it, you put fabric in here and like it can make like a little dangly tassel. I thought that would be a cute accent for a bag that I'm making. And I also got some, I got some little black nickel purse feet, super cute. I got these black nickel like purse feet. I've never really used purse feet in any of my projects, so I'm excited to try these out. I also got 4 of the rectangle rings for straps. And then I got 2 of these like spring strap connector things. I've never used these kind. They're super high quality and they're like big and chunky, and I'm excited to use these on a bag. I'm so excited. And then I just got a pack of rivets. I'm probably going to use these on some straps or something. And then I got these triangle rings, so you put your strap through it and then you can like hook the hook thing through the hole, which I think is super cool. I've never used anything like this, so I'm excited to try them out. And then I also got one of her zipper ends that she sells. These are super cute. They're really big, and I think it'll just add like a nicer look to a bag rather than having like a fabric zipper end, so I'm excited to try that as well. Now I also ordered a bunch of like bag hardware in rose gold as well, so I'm going to show you guys what I got for those. So again, I just got a pack of rose gold rivets, super cute. And I got the triangle rings again for the sides. I also got a pack of 4 D-rings, or not D-rings, rectangle rings. I got a pack of 4 rectangle rings. And I got some purse feet. These come in a 5-pack, rose gold again. And I also got a cute little zipper end for this bag as well. And then I got these strap connector spring hook things. But yeah, these are super like heavy duty. I love them. And then the last kind of different thing I got, for this bag is I got these little like hand crafted nameplates. I thought that would like give it a nice little finishing touch. I wish I would have bought them in black as well. I don't know if they had them in stock though, so maybe that's why I didn't get them. But like, they're super cute. I want to get some of them in silver just because like making my own nameplates, I don't know where to go. They're probably super expensive, and I feel like the little handcrafted is just kind of cute. So I might get some more of these in different colors to add to all my bags because I think that's super cute. But yeah, that's everything that I ordered online. I'm super excited to use those black and gold hardwares. I have like I have a video planned for those, so if you guys want to see the purses that I'll be making, be sure to stay tuned for that video. Hit subscribe so you guys can be notified whenever I upload. But yeah, that's all for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!